Hey everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a newsletter in Convertkit step by step and fully updated for 2025. So if you're ready to start growing your email list, make sure to stick around till the end. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Convertkit website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From the top menu, click on Grow, then select Landing Pages and Forms. On the next page, hit the Create New button on the right side. Now you'll see two options. Go ahead and click on Landing Page. Next, under Filter by Category, choose Newsletter. You'll now see a variety of newsletter templates. Scroll through and pick one that fits your style. Once you find the one you like, click Choose. Now your template is ready for editing. This is where you can really make it your own. Customize the headline, body text, colors, whatever you need to match your brand. If you click into the body text, you'll notice a plus icon appear. Click on it and select Newsletter Feed from the options. From there, you can further tweak your design using the tools on the right side of the screen. Once you're happy with everything, just click Save in the top right. You can also publish your newsletter straight from there. And that's it, you have successfully created a newsletter in ConvertKit. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.